Hello everyone, today we will see the Penrose staircase. So, a little reminder, this is this. Of course, it's not, again, possible to make in 3D, really, not like the impossible cube we made. But I'll show the process and how we can reproduce that. So first thing first, what you have to forget is the surface there and there. You just keep only the lozenges. And once you only keep them, in mind, you can see how it is made. So, now, Shift A, plane, view, 45, Control Z, 45, Control A, or transform, Tab, D, grab, SZ, let's say 0.7 T5. No. You see that every time they are space with the same distance from each other. And that's what you have to keep in mind. It's the same here for those ones. So, what we want to do, I take that one, Control D, move, see. Okay, this one has to be above this one for it to work. So let's say that. Same with this one. Okay. Now for this one, it's the same process. You see, I make it even longer to show you that you don't have to follow it exactly. Just make sure that this part is above this one, and same for here. Now, for the left part, you see that instead of being except that this lozenge is above this one, and this one is under this one. But you see that here it's the opposite. That's why we have more steps. This one is above this one, and this one is a bit under this one. It's in between. You see, if I trace a line, you see that this one is between the bottom and the right one. Same here. This one is between that and that. Okay, so it's not complicated again. Up. Same for here. Okay. Okay, I thought they were a distance of one square, but no, but it doesn't matter as long as you do exactly the same. Should be right. Now Control L. Now this one is behind. And it's working. It's not as obvious as this one, but if you look closely, there we have 9. If we take the bottom and the top one, we have 9 there, and 7 there. That's interesting. No. Of course, what I want to do is take those one. Yeah, of course. So let's bring back. Okay, fine. Oops, sorry. So let this one to 0. Select both there. Wait. Okay, so this one is above that, then that, but those ones not. That's why. Okay, I see. Breaking back, please. So this one is behind, okay. So 1. So left click, Control, and press 2. Control L, 3. Control L, 4. Control L, 5. 6. 7 and 8. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Nope. Okay, so now link those ones. So click Shift, maintain Shift, F. I think we can even do that. Yes. Like so, it's perfect. I noticed there is a bug. I mean, a bug. Not a bug, but yeah, it wasn't perfectly right. But the illusion is still there. I don't think it will alter it, so it's fine. I will let it like so. Okay, let's add a texture, mission, let's put a kind of red. Now select everything, E, right click, G, Z. do it so that we can select them easily. So everything is okay. So select that, Control plus. Now it also selected the the top one. I don't want that, so let's go into edges plus. Again, it's not really practical, so let's take that Z so that we can select all the faces there without selecting the top one. But now they are overlapping. It's not a problem. Just select them all and move them a bit. So C, select that, right click, Z to go back to solid view, material, let's put a darker color. Okay. Now I want to select only those ones. Again, same, oops, sign, an even darker one. Or here it's the opposite, this one, want. Now we also want those edges to be like the others, so that. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and have fun reproducing it, even doing it even like way more exaggerated than this one, like having the same corner there but even more going even far away than this one. I didn't expect it to end up like that. It's less obvious, but you can still see it. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video for the Schroeder staircase. Another one which is not difficult, but I will try to think about one we could make to just not just reproduce this shape. So anyway, I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!